red orange is there, so maybe you put the wrong one there. We'll check. You returning those? Okay, so check it back that you returned them. Okay, you guys can start if you like. You know how the charts work, right? Oh yeah, we've got 12 people. So we're making this, okay? You're gonna make the first color there. It's the 1.5. So you're gonna put white down and add viridian to it until it looks like that. Then you're gonna add the 1.5 gray to move it across. But this is your first goal, okay? To make enough of that you can paint. You need to make enough that you can paint this, and this on 12 charts.
Right.
Okay,
okay, this is just the gray.
Gray,
right,
yeah.
Right.
Okay, and tape it down there on all 4 corners, ready to make your color. You can sit down so I can get you going. Okay, you're making the first color, and what you're making is this. So you're gonna take white, I'll grab you a white, and you're gonna add the viridian to it.
White.
So the recipe's here. Okay, you're gonna work there? Okay, have a seat. Just so we have more room to move around. Okay, take that down in all 4 corners. Is that your tape? Yeah. Do you need it?
No.
Okay, what you want to do first is have all the charts face you. And you want to count the number of charts. There should be 13. Everybody's not done yet. We might also, someone might not even need to. But that's fine. You need to put these in individual sections instead of putting 4 in one block. Okay, so go ahead and do that. And this is one that goes with it. You just put that down in the red orange here next to red orange. You just pick one. Okay, so grab a seat and I can get you going. I need you to sit down so I know who's ready to begin. Take your palette down on all 4 corners of the table, so you're ready to make color. Somebody sitting there? Right in front of you there, to the right. Yes. Pardon, it's in the hall. Where you will be, because you're the last one. Okay. Don't hold it on any weird angles. It's held straight in front. You're too light, aren't you? So you don't want to do any. You don't want to call me over until you look the same. Okay. Okay, and you got a chair out here if you need it. The first thing you want to do is look at each chart and make sure it's just blue written on it. Okay, and make sure that each one is just in the If you like, you can have a table. But if in the way where you're sitting, you know. By the way, on your easel, so everybody look at me for a second. On your easel, you're actually able to put 3 charts, like straight up and down. So what I mean by that is, I'm going to come where you are here, is I'm going to give you some tape. You can place this up there, and then you put 3 of these beside each other like this. So you know that you don't all fit in there, right? So you can have 2 there while you're working. Pull it out, put it in, and then put them in the slot there, okay? Anyway, I'll give you some tape to tape that up higher for the 2. Do you need the gray? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, here. Clean off your hands. Okay, here. Take some gray, squeeze it out there, and then you're going to paint the very right square, right? Keep going. That one.
That one?
Nope.
That one?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Remember, the very right column is pure color. You have a big white thumbprint on my chart. You take that off. So when you're getting this far along, well, you haven't painted the gray at the end of this square.
No, well, I just put it to the side.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's just that you don't want any color in it. See there's a bit of green in there? So be careful, because I've noticed that some people's grays will sometimes look colored. That might end up because it's got that little bit of iridium. So just make sure that's not it. And yeah, and with this one, really clear, you know, like masking tape. It hasn't got any color on it. See it? So that's the good one to check the next color rather than one with the blue. Because the blue, I mean, it's horrible that we have to use it, but it's blue. So use the Jonathan's as the one to check to see if they're different. Because you'll notice the difference a lot more without the blue being compared to it. The best way to do this is in a gym, right? Everybody has a table, full-size table. All the charts can be laid out flat, and but you can move across. That's good. Okay, you're going to paint the second square there.
Oh.
can use the same brush you used before. Just wipe off most of the paint or all the paint with the toilet paper.
That one? Next,
Yes,
second.
so this is this one with a little bit of gray in it. So let's get that away from there. So we're just gonna put some gray in there, okay? Keep this one at the front because it's easier to check. Okay, we're good. You can paint the second square on every one of the charts with it. Okay?
That's good.
Yes, it's good. Okay, wipe off the brush with the toilet paper and paint this color, the second one in on every one of the charts.
Okay.
Clean off your brush first, okay? Just with the toilet paper.
I'm not sure. Use the gray or use the first
Use this
one?
brush. You don't use the gray for anything but gray, okay?
Okay.
Keep that in mind today.
Okay.
Do not ever put color on your gray. You can wipe this off and just overload it with the new color. So we've added gray already, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check and see what's different. Oh yeah, we're different. See how different we are? Okay, so you're painting the second square on every one of them. You're good. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So how about the black and the white at the dry time?
Black and white dries about the same amount of time. It takes between 3 and 5 days. Yeah.
So if I mix
Well, when you add white to a color, it takes longer to dry.
longer than the
Longer than the
only
color
white.
by itself.
Only white. Oh, okay. Thank you.
And same with black. Black takes a long time.
Okay.
Or gray. But you're painting this one though, right? That's what you're comparing it to. That's one color. Anyway, more gray. It should look different than the second one you put in.
Put a gray here.
You mean you're going to work just on a little bit? Is that what you're doing? Okay, we'll put a little bit more because you. Okay. Oh, you've got gray.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
You didn't need it. Okay. Mix that up. Let's take a look at it.
Okay.
And you can paint this square. We'll take a look at it. See how different it looks. Don't do anything more though. Just that one up there. Oh, in London? Oh, his studio was in the West End.
I need more gray.
You got some paint on the floor, so just wipe that up with some toilet paper before you track it anywhere.
Okay.
I'll grab you some gray. Yeah, I found his studio in the West End as well. But now it's nothing. It's just a garage condo. John Singer Sargent's studio is out that way too. Okay, there you go. High lead content in his blood, or in his bones, essentially. So they went, wow, where's this come from? Well, lead white, the use of lead white in paint. And then they did the DNA analysis and they found that, so is this the next one? Looks good. You're good. Okay, you're good. Yeah, so that confused me. So they either ignored that or don't you're not doing anything.
Should I put right there?
You need a palette. We use a full palette to mix. Yeah, you just made too much paint. You should just mix it right there. No, mix it right there on your palette, right in the corner.
I'm doing the second one.
Yes.
Use that one.
No, you can't use that because that has gray in it, right?
Okay.
Does it have gray? No. This one has gray. This is pure.
No, that's not gray.
Then you're good. You're gonna add this to this until it looks like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
And then you're gonna paint the second square on it.